What's up guys, it's Michael Olivier and I'm here on my YouTube channel LIKEMIKE. So I'm going to be featuring Inter-house at JGM Inter. Can you see those people lining up, getting ready for Inter schools? Can I get Liam? Can you give a shout there for the YouTube? Oh yeah! Getting ready for Inter schools guys, that's it. So guys, you're going to be featuring LIKEMIKE, Michael Olivier. I'm here with my brother Jaeger on the council. Gonna feature soon on Keeping Up with the Council. Don't ask questions guys. Okay guys, I'm here. White team guys, white team is going to win Inter-house. White team guys, look at it. Gold and nothing. First place all the way. So I'm Michael Olivier, I'm white team. And as you can see, blue. Okay now guys, we're going white. White house guys, show us some love. White team guys. White team. Okay guys, this is my first attempt at vlogging. Vlogging YouTube guys, LIKEMIKE. And as you can see, I am a rookie, but still trying out. And okay guys, I just want to show you how things work out here at JGM Inter. We don't run on a track, we have grass with white lines. You're going to see me soon running on these through these white lines, and I'm hoping to at least take first, second or third. Wish me luck guys, wish me luck. Okay guys, the event is just about to start. And I just want to show you in the background, I have Blue House over there, and then over there we have White House. So this is my house, showing there, woo, White House. And then over there we have, I'm coming up to Yellow House guys. So Yellow House there over guys, so just yellow.
We're gonna make you lose control and let it go, for you know you're gonna hit the flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. Oh, it's all so yummy. Oh, it's all so yummy. Oh, you want this yummy.
So at the Inter-house athletics, I am White House, and as you can see, we're lining up for the 100 meter. So how I'm feeling going into the 100 meter, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm just participating for fun. So wherever I come, but I'm going for first place guys. The shorts, I'm wearing my brother's Western Province shorts. Just zoom in there, just zoom in at the Western Province, just for some good luck going into the race. I don't know why I'm nervous, if I'm just doing it for fun, but wish me luck guys. LIKEMIKE is about to do 100 meters. See me now guys. So guys, I just finished my 100 meter. As you can hear, I'm a bit out of breath. This Marcus, a bit out of breath. But it was a good one. Must take one for the books guys. Really loving this vlogging life. But yeah, really had fit. Came fourth guys. Fourth. I know I won that top 3 spot, but fourth was the title. Yeah, till next time guys.